office u deputy commissioner ka Ribhoi district nen ka sni ka spotrek u jileu ka plipaj ba e ka program a jinghikai shi khun samla ka Ribhoi district ban pynkhreh na ki banta exam thungkam ba pher yakani ka program la pli ha patarim Umsning ka bahab Umsning C&RD Block Ribhoi district bat yakani ka program a jinghikai shi khun samla on penlong ru habaro ki block jong ka Ribhoi district haba pli yakani ka program a jinghikai shi khun samla la don kat na du MLA ka Umsning Dr Celestin Lingdo u MLA ka Mahoti constituency ba Charles Margar u ADC ka Ribhoi u Raja Brahma u BDO ka Umsning C&RD Block ba Andrew Marthong u Sumandas Director Time Shillong Guwahati u ba kewar jiri rang ba shnong ka patarim kiri rang ba ki khun samla ki bla shimenta kani ka program ka de shimenta na ka Chief Minister Career Guidance and Counseling Scheme ka badai ka scheme kerpang penhikai pentibet ki khun samla ha ka bala penlong na ka office deputy commissioner ka Ribhoi ringkat ka jintrelang bat kemal e jong ka Ribhoi district bat ka Time Shillong Guwahati
place where we have done the schooling. Now, once I came out of Arunachal in after class 12, there is a time when I heard about a college called IIT. That's I've heard that is the best college for engineering, and that is time when I felt that I should also be one of the person who should study in IIT. It took me 2 years to get into IIT Guwahati. So I'm a mechanical engineer from IIT Guwahati, and I'm not from an English medium school. And it took very difficult hard work for me to learn English. And how I learned English is memorizing Oxford Dictionary when I was in the IIT Guwahati. And when I landed up in IIT Guwahati, I realized that majority of the people were from southern India, from Hyderabad, and they started preparation of IIT from class 7. They call it IIT Foundation course, like that, alright? Now, we in Northeast, we were deprived of this kind of exposure, and we were unfortunate at that point of time. There was no coaching center across Northeast, all right? And we never knew that the coaching also something is there for this kind of exam preparation. So it took me, very hard preparation I had to take for getting into IIT. And the day I landed, I decided that the other students, what they are doing after IIT, I will also pursue the same. Their next destination, when a child is born in Hyderabad, their mother and parents say that you have to go to IIT, and after IIT, US. That's the destination, okay? And that's why I also imbibed in my blood and brain that okay, I will also end up in the US. And
Right. So you also have to make your own story. And it's not that the fate. The way you work hard, the way you shape the future is up to your life. Today we have this counseling and all. This is just a guidance, a tip to you. Like what are things you learn? The rest lies in you. Your inner motivation, your ethic, how you work. Between your two, from the same sibling, maybe from the same house. One brother gets success, another doesn't get. Why? They stay in the same group, their father's same, they get the same school, they have got nonsense. It's a personal trait. If you want to get success, you need to work hard.
We have to concentrate. Pelaj jimon, pelaj jimon, yang video jinghikai. Nama paling orang muda PE kalau boleh. Kata penengkau mana orang PE dia pandang determination kalau bah. Dia macam, dia macam poin clear juga. Dan we kena usaha syariah. Wah bangkit kuai, bangkit berpau bangkit. Kau itu kirian, berwarna seseorang. Ukulina kami jauh orang lanong ang lain ini kecilnya. Kami kecoba dah lapai kalian ulung. Till you reach the top, my son. But what hero? Pilhabian. You have to go through. You have to go through. Kung kalian training, coaching, kebetulan abad kiwai. Pada aku ini segi pilhan ini kecilnya. Hadu untuk lapai kalian jauh kenal. Dengan terpadu fi bagi simkia ini kesenjam sorkan kesim para bapas BA boleh ni sim ini kesenjam pulang ini ke coaching kelas para bapas BA dan nong ni school sudah pas kelas 9 dan ini sudah dalam ceri hikai kasih tidak masa lagi kau sudah kurang harun nangkan para ini nak betul tidak ni kira problem kumno begini pun ini interview kaya tangga DSC rumah try ba berapa conduct interview interview itu bah ikna jongi para pas biye te tambah ikna hiwe nomor bane nomor ba iduna ke English iduna ke knowledge everything iduna Tenang tak kenal gani kucing kalau spesifik nak kemta jongi. Mana kuah orang ini gani kau. Tapi ham orang tista nak tu Sdang. Mah hadu mana pun gani kucing. Kenang berfila penyukun ni ke. Hang ni ngai gani program kedon ke SSC nang tak berdaya di bank nang tak ada nak kejungan juga new education policy dan kena CUT ke pihak yakun ni tak. Kini lo kini kebenaran kamu kata. Apa ini tu ini bah tidak berpikir kena jadi kita apply kamu kuliah. Mari kita selain orang buat jadi deh. Bawa apa? Dia mau. Klaim, lah mari physically klaim. Dalam politik test, imla. Boleh, nama ini dulu nak. Nanti kita tahu dengan bagi ni kucing, kebanyakan pelong, yang kita mau kucing kucing.
So, my wish is that Somen and the team will be able to enlighten you. 6 weeks seems to be a very long time, but if you regularly come, you will find that it ends too soon. The Chief Minister wants the state to prosper, the youths to be employed through the right career choice.